In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning newsletter using Google Docs. Whether you're reaching out to your community, updating clients, or communicating within your organization, a well-crafted newsletter can make all the difference in engaging your audience. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process from selecting a template to the final touches before you send it off or print it. We're starting off in Google Docs, where we'll tap into a range of ready-made templates to give your newsletter a professional look with minimal effort. To begin, open Google Docs and navigate to the template gallery located at the top right of your screen. This is your portal to a variety of creative and practical designs. Once you're there, you can either scroll through the options available or use the search bar to type in newsletter. This should help you quickly zero in on templates specifically designed for newsletters. Once you've found a template that fits the bill, click on it to open it up in your editor. With Google Docs, selecting a template is as simple as that, and it will automatically open up as a new editable document. This sets the stage for customizing your newsletter to match your specific needs and preferences. Now comes the fun part, customizing your newsletter. Begin by replacing the placeholder text with your own content. This includes adding your headlines, articles, and announcements that are relevant to your audience. Don't forget to insert your organization's logo to give it a branded look, and sprinkle in images to catch the reader's eye. As you go through, think about how the colors and fonts align with your brand as well, and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is cohesive. Of course, you'll also want to update any dates, contact information, and links to keep everything current and accurate. After customizing the content, it's crucial to review and proofread your newsletter before it goes anywhere. This step is all about ensuring there are no spelling or grammar mistakes that might undermine your credibility. Double check that images are clear and properly aligned, which helps keep the overall look polished and professional. Lastly, verify that all your links and contact information are correct. It's the details like these that really ensure clear communication. Once you're happy with the look and accuracy of your newsletter, it's time to save or export it. If your goal is a printed newsletter, please save it as a PDF for high-quality printing. You can do this by heading to the File menu, selecting Download, and then choosing PDF. However, if your plan is to send your newsletter through email, consider exporting it from or directly sending it using your email marketing tool. Finally, the moment arrives to either print or send your newsletter. For printed copies, you can use your personal printer or employ a print service for larger distribution. For email newsletters, simply send it out via your chosen platform to reach your audience, and there you have it. A beautifully crafted newsletter ready to engage and inform.